nice. Oops. He's nice.
You like the frog?
Sometimes.
That's a frog. Bah, 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 bah. Look, look, look. Look, frog. Oh, look. Oh, no, don't jump at her. No. Here. He's on your shirt! Alexandra, come here. Alexandra.
You don't want a frog on your shirt?
Come
You
here.
put him again?
Come here. Oh, ribbit.
Is that what a frog says?
So. Oh my gosh, it's a ribbon on your shirt.
No.
Do you want to touch it? Come here. Mommy will
I
help.
wish you would touch it a bit.
Mommy will help.
I'll try to tuck back your shirt.
Mommy will help you. Watch. Just one finger. Just one finger like this. Watch. Look at a little cute froggy. Can you touch? No, look at Mommy will touch.
Oh, that's nice.
Touch.
You want to touch it? He's on you. He's on you. And up. And
He's off.
I don't like playing on frog on that.
he's on your shirt. He's on your shirt. He's on your shirt.
Oh, little guy. Come on the grass.
Wait, go catch his